Note: before reusing a processor taken from another system board, wipe the thermal grease from the processor with an alcohol cleaning pad. Dispose of the cleaning pad after use. Use a syringe to apply 4 uniformly spaced dots of thermal grease to the top of the processor. Each dot should contain about 0.1 milliliter of thermal grease. Hold both sides of the processor and align the small triangle on the processor to the beveled corner of the socket. Gently and evenly lower the processor into the socket. Close the processor retainer and push the handle to the locked position. Reinstall the heatsink. Reinstall the cover.